Ever used an expense tracking app and wondered, wait, there are fees for this? Yeah, me too. Especially when it comes to Expensify, there can be some confusion about their pricing structure. So, let's break it down. Is there a hidden cost for using Expensify, and if so, how much is it? Free versus paid plan. The good news is, Expensify does offer a free plan. It's perfect for individuals or very small businesses with minimal expense tracking needs. You can track receipts, categorize expenses, and generate basic reports. However, there are limitations. You might have fewer features, limited storage, and potentially no customer support. Now, businesses with more complex needs often require a paid plan. Here's where the unbundled fee comes in. The unbundled fee explained. Think of the unbundled fee as a penalty for not using the Expensify card. It's a flat monthly charge per user on your account. As of July 2024, that fee is a whopping $18 per user. So, if you have a 10-person team and none of them use the card, that's an additional $180 per month on your bill. Why does Expensify do this? Expensify likely sees the card as a key revenue driver. They might earn transaction fees or interchange income when you use it. Plus, the card streamlines expense tracking for them, reducing their operational costs. The bottom line, is it worth it? The decision depends on your needs. If the Expensify card and its features are valuable to your team, using it to avoid the unbundled fee might be a good call. But, if the card doesn't fit your workflow or spending habits, the $18 fee per user can become a significant cost. Alternatives to consider. There are other expense tracking apps with paid plans that don't penalize you for using external payment methods. Do your research and compare features, pricing, and user experience before committing to a platform. So, there you have it. The unbundled fee in Expensify is a real cost to consider if you plan to use the app without their corporate card. Weigh the pros and cons, explore alternatives, and choose the expense tracking solution that best fits your budget and workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.